Hello friends, this is Sai Fernandra from SQL School, assuring you complete practice orientation, completely practical training classes, exclusively for Snowflake, a cloud-based data warehouse environment, easy and zero management warehouse or historical data store with rich graphical user interface. In our training classes at our school, with complete practice orientation, we'll start from the scratch. We'll start from the introduction to Snowflake, slowly step into the account creation, virtual warehouse creation, understanding the architecture, editions, and web interface options. We'll understand about databases, tables, queries, and understanding the data recovery activities. We'll be understanding about Snowflake schemas, session context, constraints. There are few limitations with respect to constraints. We'll understand why and how, and the alternatives, workarounds. Data types, auditing activities, call information schema. We'll understand about cloning, view procedures, variables, transactions, and security management. We'll understand about data streaming activities, live data and historical data streaming. We'll understand about streams, HADR, tasks, and connections. We'll understand about big data loads, partitions, stages, storage with Azure, storage without Azure, and Power BI, and external cloud-based activities, including incremental loads, Snowpipe. We'll understand every item practically, technically from scratch. We'll start with Snowflake Cloud. We'll slowly understand how to work with Snowflake data store, ETL, transformations, and as required, we also understand integrating Snowflake to Azure cloud. With this information, assuring you complete practice orientation, let's get our profile shaped carefully with this awesome, very powerful warehousing technology, Snowflake. You may opt for SQL, the prerequisite, plus Snowflake. You may opt for 1 and 2. You are already aware of 1. You just go only for 2, a 4 weeks program. If you would like to add some analytics to your resume, then 3, Power BI add-on, or you may also opt for Azure Data Engineer. You may choose whatever combinations you would like to based on your profile, current experience, or future projections on your profile. You may contact us directly for career related questions. Glad to assist you, and see you soon in our actual live class. You may opt for the live online training or on-demand video training. Anyone is fine, and you may refer to our website sqlschool.com. Go to sqlschool.com, and there you see register page, top register or bottom register, same page, and there you see list of all courses, relevant schedules, and we are into Snowflake upcoming schedule July 17th. In case you are looking for the regular schedule, if you are looking for weekend schedule, we have it 7:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. You may choose any one, or you can WhatsApp us, reach us for more clarifications and questions. Glad to assist you. Thank you so much. Have a nice time, and we assure you, promise you technical commitment and quality of our practical classes. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Thank you once again.